Welcome everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Clarity for sure once again, and finally the wait is over here. RBI has finally released its notification regarding the recruitment of RBI grade B officers, and as far as your number of vacancies are concerned, so the total number of vacancies for general cadre it is 35. That is a good number, right? And including all the cadres, that is DEPR and DSIM, it is 51, right? So this was all about your number of vacancies, right? Now coming to the important dates. What are the some of the important dates? So your online application is going to be start from September 10th, 2025 till 30th of September 2025 till 6 p.m. right? And talking about the online phase 1 examination, so your online phase 1 examination for RBI grade B is going to be held on October 18, 2025, which means you have very few days left as far as your phase 1 online examination of RBI grade B is concerned, right? You have more or less 40 days left for your phase 1 online examination. Coming to the phase 2 examination, it will going to be held on December 6, 2025, right? Now, let's see some of the important eligibility part. First thing is age eligibility. What should be your age limit? So candidates age should not be less than 21 years and should not exceed 30 years. So 21 to 30 years is your age eligibility. Obviously there are some of the relaxation in each of the category. For that, for detailed knowledge, you can go through this PDF once, right? Now, most importantly, the educational qualification. What is the educational qualification for this particular vacancy? So, you should be graduated in any discipline equivalent to technical or professional, right? But your marks should be minimum 60% if you are graduated, or you should have a post graduation degree in any discipline with minimum of 55% marks. This is all about the minimum educational qualification. Baki ka detail is there in the PDF as well. You can go through this PDF once, right? Now, the most important thing, as I told you, you have more or less 40 days left for your phase 1 online examination, right? So what is your strategy, what is your plan for these upcoming 40 days to crack your RBI grade B phase 1 online examination? Do you have any plan? Because obviously a plan is needed if you want to crack any of the examination, especially when the exam is very near, right? So if you don't have the plan, don't worry, we have a plan for you. We have a authentic on a concrete plan for you, and the plan is RBI grade B phase 1 Panchsutra plan, PPP. This is our plan, this is our model for completely dedicated to phase 1 examination of grade B, right? Although these content will also be helping you in your phase 2 examination as well, because they are covered in a very detailed manner, right? So I'll tell you how this plan, how this program will help you to achieve your dream goal of becoming an RBI grade B officer, right? So as you can see, as the name it states itself, it is a Panchsutra plan. Panchsutra means इसके 5 बहुमूल्य सूत्र हैं in the form of blocks. As you can see here, block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the 5 important blocks, where each and every block contains important resources and contents which are required for your phase 1 examination, right? So starting from the block 1, so here we will be providing you all the financial awareness news compilation. Whatever news were there in the newspaper and magazines, will compile those content, those articles, right, in the form of RBI Express, and we will be providing this content to you, followed by the classes as well, right? And this content will be from June to October, because this month of content will be enough for your financial awareness part, right? Clear? So this was all about block 1. Now coming to the block 2, what is there in the block 2? So a block 2 contains all the important RBI reports, guidelines, circulars, notification and the master directions of RBI as well, and some of the important reports from international and international events, right. So this was all about your block 2. So it is a complete gist, right, a complete compilation in the form of gist will be providing you, which includes RBI important reports, guidelines, circulars, master directions as well, right. So whatever is needed for your phase 1 online examination or phase 2 online examination also, so we will be providing you all those important reports of RBI as well, right, and we'll be providing this from January to October, right. So this was all about your block 2. Now coming to the block 3, schemes in news, most importantly schemes in news, especially in PIB, right, whatever news, whatever schemes were there in the news, right, especially in the PIB, we will provide a complete compilation of those schemes as well, right, which contains many important information such as ministry and budget outlay. ठीक है, so whatever news schemes were there in the news of finances, social schemes, climate change schemes, will provide a complete gist of those content followed by the classes as well, right. So the schemes will be from June to October, clear. Coming to the block 4, block 4 contains miscellaneous GA in news, general awareness, right. It is a very important part. Whatever miscellaneous GA general awareness, that is current affairs are there in the news which are important and relevant for your examination, will provide a complete compilation as well followed by the classes, ठीक है. So this was all about block 4. Coming to the block 5 part, the targeted practice, will be providing a targeted practice for QRE, that is quant, reasoning and English, because when you analyze the previous cutoff of all those, right, so quant it was 7.50, English it was 7.50 and for reasoning it was 15.00, right. So which means your plan should be also targeted for these sections, especially quant, reasoning and English, and also because you have very few days left as far as your phase 1 online examination is concerned. So you need to be very targeted, right, as far as these sections are concerned. So we will be providing you targeted practice for QRE followed by the test series as well, right. Now we will provide you 5-star is equal to high level, high probability. High probability means we will be providing all the questions which directly will match the level of RBI grade B, because after analyzing the PYQs we have made those tests, right. So we will provide a high 5-star, high level, high probability full length test for all the sections, right. So this was all about RBI grade B phase 1 Panchsutra plan, and the plan, this particular course is online, is live in our website. You can directly purchase from there. Our website is www.c4scourses.in, right. So that's it for the session. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Telegram and Instagram as well for daily updates. Thank you so much.